Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to our first math lesson. First, what I'd like you to do is get a notebook, and I labeled mine math, and a pencil. First thing I want you to do is I want you to copy everything that's written down on this page. So go ahead and press pause here and write everything that's written down on this page. All right. So what we have here is the date, Wednesday, September 2nd, our objective, which is to write and interpret numerical expressions, and we're going to talk about the order of operations. And this rule right here is very important for our assignment today. The rule is multiplication and division must be completed before addition and subtraction. So let's go over a couple examples. Let's take a look here at 5 times 2 plus 4. So remember our rule, multiplication and division must come before addition and subtraction. So here we will do 5 times 2 first. So 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 equals 14. And that's your answer. If you do not follow the order of operation, let's say you did 2 plus 4 first because you thought that was easier. So 2 plus 4 is 6 times 5. Write the rest of your problem down. 5 times 6 equals 30. You'll notice that our answers are not the same. You always have to follow this rule of operation, this order of operation. So if you get an answer of 30, your answer is going to be wrong. So let's take a look at example number 2. 4 plus 6 times 3. So again, following the rule, we need to do this problem first. 6 times 3, which is 18. Write down the rest of your problem there. 4 plus 18 equals 22. That's your answer. If you do not follow the rule, let's see what happens. 4 plus 6 is 10 times 3. 10 times 3 equals 30. Our answers are different. So if you got 30, you did not follow the rule here. Your answer is wrong. Next, 4 plus 20 divided by 4. So again, multiplication and division first. So we need to do this section first. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Let's write down the rest of our problem here. 4 plus 5 equals 9. That is the correct answer. If you went in order and did the addition first instead of the division, 4 plus 20 would be 24, divided by 4 would equal 6. You would get a different answer, which means this is wrong. Always multiply and divide before you add or subtract. So let's take a look at example 4. This one is a little different. There's a different rule. You have division and multiplication. So remember, it says multiplication and division first. So since you have both of them, which is first, then you just go in order from left to right. So 4 or 12 divided by 4, you would do that first. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. Here, let's say you didn't follow the rule. You did this first because you knew 4 times 2 would equal 8. 12 divided by 8 would be 12 eighths. Answers are different, so it's wrong. You always go from left to right. Same thing here. 20 minus 4 plus 10. You go from left to right. So 20 minus 4. You would do that first, which is 16 plus 10, which equal 26. And that is the correct answer. So for your homework today, you're going to go into IXL. You're going to go into 5th grade, scroll down to letter O, which is mixed operations, and work on number 5. And I'm going to show you how to get there. All right, when you are in IXL, you need to make sure you are in learning up on the green bar. Make sure you're in math. Scroll all the way down to 5th grade, see all skills. You'll get to this page, and you're going to scroll down until you get to the letter O. And here it is. Letter O, mixed operation. Go down to number 5, evaluate numerical expressions. And that's where you're going to work on your problems. So keep in mind, you always need to do the division or multiplication first. So we need to do 5 times 2 times 5 first, which is 10 plus 1 is 11. So you write your answer there and you submit. Here is where they're going, and they have division and multiplication. So remember, the rule is just go from left to right. 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 5 is 15. Let's say you put in the wrong answer. When you get an answer wrong, it's going to show you why you did your answer wrong. So you need to make sure you read why you got your answer wrong. And here it's going to show you what you should have done. 3 divided by 1 is 3. Then 3 times 5 is 15. And then you'll just click got it. So make sure you read why you got your answer wrong. If you take a look over here to the right, you'll see how many questions you've answered. And this is the time on how long it's taken you to answer these questions. You also see your SMART score here. You want to make your SMART score 100. You have 30 minutes to do that. You should be able to do that. If for some reason after 30 minutes you can't get your SMART score to 100, please give me a call and I will help you figure out what is going on. So good luck. Do the best you can. If you have any questions, call me. Bye.